Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date beta 18-2-2021. Okay, block 25. We have completed block 24 children. We have studied about United Nations Organization. Today our topic is block 25, road safety. You all will travel through road? Yes. We have some road safety measures. What are that? We will see in this lesson. Our topic today is S1. Causes of road accident. Causes means what? How and why road accidents will happen. Okay. Before starting that, today we will see that why road accidents will happen. Before starting this lesson, there is a small Samuel learned a lesson. There is a small story before starting the lesson. So take out your reader. We will read the story now.
See, now in your reader, block 25. This is our last block. Okay. Before starting this block, road safety, there is a small story. Samuel learns a lesson. Keep your finger where I am reading. Samuel woke up late one morning and realized that he was already late for work. He rushed to his car and started driving at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Although the traffic signal said that the speed limit for car was 50 kilometers per hour, he saw a traffic light turning orange, indicating that he should slow down. Instead, Samuel speeded up, and just as the light turned red, he crossed the traffic signal. He swerved in front of another car which was also going fast. That car could not hold the brake in time. It hit Samuel's car and stopped suddenly. Meanwhile, another car came from behind and crashed into both cars. As a result, all three cars were damaged. What is telling in the story? Samuel is a boy. What happened to him? He was sleeping. Suddenly when he woke up, he saw that he is already late for his work. Then what he did? He started rushing. Rushing means he started running and driving his car. He started his car and started driving at the speed of 80 kilometers per hour. And what happened? What our traffic signal is telling? It seems traffic sign is telling us that car should be drive at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. But he was driving 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, the speed of 80 he was driving. What happened? He saw that traffic signal is orange. Orange means you need to slow down your vehicle. Instead of slowing down, what Samuel did? He started rushing again. Suddenly the signal turned into red color. Instead of stopping, what happened? The another car which was coming from behind hit Samuel's car. Because it was also very speed. Another car came from the between and crashed these both cars. Why this happened? Because he was breaking the traffic signal sign. Why? Because he was late. So what happened? What do you learn from this small story? Do your work in proper time. When you are not late, you will go properly to your work. When you are late, you will do everything in hurry. No? This we have learned from the Samuel's story. Now, turn to page number 154. Page number 154. Keep your fingers where I am reading. India has the second largest road network in the world after the USA. The road traffic in India consists of pedestrians. Pedestrian means what, children? See the glossaries first. Pedestrian means people walking on the footpath. C. Boarding, entering a vehicle. Footboard, step to enter a vehicle like a bus or train. Pedestrian, person who walk on footpath. Safety gear, things that are designed to protect our body from injury, such as helmet and seat belt in case of an accident. These are your glossaries, beta. So, pedestrian means walking on the footpath. India has the second largest road network in the world after the USA. The road traffic in India consists of pedestrian, animal, drawn vehicle means bullock cart, horse cart, okay, bicycle, motorcycle, car, buses and trucks. In India you can see bullock cart, auto, rickshaw, truck, everything, all kinds of vehicles you can see, okay. Next, road safety measures that road users should follow in order to be safe on road. What is telling that in this line? Road safety measure means the measures that road users should follow in order to be safe. Means there are some rules that are made to follow when you are driving on the road to be safe. Road safety is everybody's responsibility, is telling here. Now keep your fingers. Causes of road accidents. Why road accidents will cause? See, vehicle on the road. See, our roads are like this. More dangerous than this today. Okay. Here you can see only less vehicles, but now everyone are having their own bikes. Due to this, what happened? Everywhere there is traffic jam nowadays. Keep your fingers. We share the road with others. Therefore, it is important to know about road safety to avoid accidents. We share road. Share road means what, beta? Everyone have right to ride their vehicles on the road. So, what we are doing? We are sharing that road. And it is our duty to know the safety measures of the road to avoid accidents. There are many factors that lead to road accidents. There are many factors that leads to road accidents. There are many things which will happen on the road. Accidents, you'll skid and fall. Some of them are as following. See here, some points are there. Let me read for you all. Speeding. Faster vehicles are most prone to accident than slower one. Slower vehicles can stop more quickly while faster one takes a long time to stop. When you are driving the vehicle speed, it will take time to stop immediately, children. When your vehicle is slow, it will stop immediately. Next, distract driver. Distract means what, beta? The mind of the driver is somewhere. Talking on the mobile phone. Adjusting mirror while driving. Listening to music while driving. Animals on the road. Banner and billboards can all distract the driver. A distracted driver is more likely to get into an accident. Means when while driving, he is talking on the phone, he is seeing some picture, he is listening to music. It may lead to an accident, he is telling here. Next, third point. Not obeying red light. Means when red light is there, if we are not stopping for that red light, accidents may happen. How? This can cause serious road accident. A vehicle which drive through a red light has high chances of getting hit by another vehicle which have a green signal. Green signal vehicles will come from the other side and they will be on a good speed. What happens when you have red signal? You need to stop. Otherwise, you lead to an accident. Next, last one. Avoiding safety gear, seat belt and helmets decreases the chances of getting serious injuries during accidents. Therefore, safety gear increases the chances of severe in a serious accident. Survival in the serious accident. Chances of surviving in a serious accident. What is telling here? If you are wearing seat belt and helmet, if you have met with a dangerous accident, you will be little bit safe. If you are not wearing seat belt and helmet, you will die there only. No, when there is a accident. Next, page number 155. Last point. Not driving in a lane and passing a car from the wrong side. This can also cause accident on the road. See, these are the pictures. Not following safety measures on road can lead to serious road accidents. See here, they are not following the safety measures. Accident may happen like this. If you are wearing seat belt, it is good. If you are not wearing seat belt, you will come out of the car. See. Okay, now take out your workbook. Children, see, take out your workbook S1, causes of road accidents, write today's date. See beta, page number 45, 18-2-2021. Okay beta? Did you all completed writing your date? 18-2-2021, S1, causes of road accident. Now see here, look at the picture and answer the question. See, you can see some pictures here. No? See. Second one. Choose any two pictures from above and fill in the table above. See what happened. Look at the picture and answer the question. See here. Questions are there. Questions are not there. See here what happened. We'll see now. What is doing here first? Is following road safety? Yes. He is wearing seat belt in this. Is wearing seat belt. Is following traffic signal. See here, they are going in a proper distance. This man is not wearing seat belt. What happened in this? They are not wearing helmet. And see how many members are sitting in one bike. And this man is also not wearing helmet. Let us read first. Picture. What can lead to an accident? Oh, sorry children. See, he is wearing seat belt. But what is doing? See here. He is talking. No, he's talking in the mobile phone. He's talking on the phone. So this may lead to accidents. Can you see here any other thing? No. So the person driving the car is talking on the phone. This may distract him and can lead to an accident. What can the driver do to avoid an accident? The person can stop his car on the side and attend the call, or he may attend the call later. Next, F. You can tick any other children. You select any one option. You can tick E or F. See, F is not wearing helmet. So I have written like this. The person is not wearing a helmet. This may lead to an accident. You can tick this also. The bike is overloaded. No one is wearing helmet. This may lead to accident. You can write here. You can write this also. The man is not wearing seat belt. This may lead to the accident. You can write like this. The person should wear a helmet. Okay, you can write like this. Tick and write. Okay. Hope you all understood how to write this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Complete this beta.